Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features. Features also include heated seats, remote start, keyless ignition, third row seating, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2019 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, remote trunk release, headlights auto off, mirror memory, cruise control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.